What up? So we finally made it to the meet, and oh shit! Watch out! Watch out! Lame man! Cap you down, you hear me? That bitch is beautiful. And got the evil twin over here, bitch just beautiful. You got them, you hear me? You know, just got the toys out, and that's pretty much it, really. Ain't go wrong with it. Yeah. I'm gonna get up with y'all when I got them. I guess the next spot, go hit the road.
Is that turning music on?
Huh? Nah, I ain't say nothing like that. Got the motherfucking tools now. Glad. I don't even got down. My light finna turn green. Yes, I know when I put this bitch in drive, trust me, I know. Tunnel action, you did. I got them motherfucking toys out. Had to make a damn quick stop to the damn Chevron, cause you feel me? Missing one, but shit, that boy be back. Goddamn next time, I guess. You feel me? That big goddamn feel me? I ain't got my boy over here. I don't know if he go over here with us, goddamn. Like, yeah, boy. What up? So we finally made it to the meet. Like, my God, look like everybody leaving because the police here. Like they going to a different spot, or I really don't know what's going on. So we just sitting here. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I guess we finna follow everybody that's leaving to a new location or whatever. So we finally made it though. We made it at 7:40, 3, 4, whatever it was. But yeah, so it basically came here. I ain't gonna say for nothing, but shit. Yeah, we finna go see what the other people on what they talking about. Yeah. I'll catch up with y'all. Well, I guess at the new place. yeah, boy. We got down. We out here. Oh my God. I feel like a damn kid. Forward. This nigga. Yeah, watch out now.
How you flip the camera to the front?
Hold up. How you switch to the front?
Yeah.
Press it 3 times. The black, yeah. There.
What's up, vlog? We out here at the car meet. Me and Tony. We're on your business because we're not. Never mind.
I hear this shit. Anyways, goddamn, we outside because why the fuck not? You feel me? Just trying to see what they got out here. These motherfuckers, let me see. Alright, we got the scat. Fucking scatty whack. Got the dick. Yeah. The fuck? But yeah, man. I mean, but I know my car be everything out here. Right here. What we got over here? Oh my God. He don't want to take that. He don't want to race that. What is a scatty whack? Well, I mean, we ain't doing nothing illegal. Or are we? We got the SS. You feel me? Gotta go. Lame, man. Yeah. But yeah, your boy, they done, police came, talking about we gotta leave, so now we just sitting here waiting to see where else we finna go. I don't know, but but yeah, so I guess we just sitting here waiting to see where we finna go next. It's only 8:18, bro. The meet was from 7 to 10 or 11, and the other place we was at, talking about private property, talking about we was gonna have to pay. That motherfucking Hellcat! Oh my God. That boy had to show out on us. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Man, how I feel, boy? How I feel? That bitch say SRT. Oh, shit, boy. Man, he finna leave all our ass now. That boy finna leave all our ass. Damn. That's crazy. I was like, damn, I ain't seen Dylan in a minute.
Hey, where you get this bit from?
Texas. Damn. Okay.
Yeah, you drove out?
Damn, where?
He sent me that bitch.
Where? Hey.
I was like, should I come with him?
Hey.
I told him
Hey,
to
bro.
go challenge.
Hey, that's a good one, boy. That's a good one, goddamn.
Yeah, bro. You want them 5-inch tips, nigga? I can't put them
I'm gonna get that hoe. What's up? Yeah, I'm gonna goddamn. Come on, boy. Damn, son. Shit. Boy, fucking SRT. Man, police so damn lame, bro. Oh God, these niggas get paid to be a lame ass again, I guess. But yeah, that boy, huh?
Where?
I don't know where the fuck the police just went. He need goddamn. Oh God, this shit hard. I'm kind of hard, goddamn. No, don't worry about it. Right, I want to hear that
He said he
damn.
hard.
At that point, shit.
I'm waiting for the police to whip around this hole.
Huh?
I'm waiting for the police to whip around this hole.
Got another cat right there. Got. Yeah. Oh God. Hey. My God. Hey, boy. All my boys around here eating, goddamn. Clean up, ain't it? Keep that shit in eco. That's for us to keep up, goddamn. Hell no. Oh God. Maybe wanna go trade my shit in, goddamn. Do something, goddamn. Got some goddamn better lane out here, you know. Our boys out here. Got these, you feel me? That bit, see that bit better in the light. That motherfucking cat. Whew. Got that motherfucker right here. You feel me? Goddamn slow ass Charger. And got the boy right there. That nigga always parking for it. But yeah, goddamn, the truck did a burnout, mowed his ass over. Thought he was gonna run, but I guess he was just like, well, you know. So they pulled him over. 3 of them pulled up just to pull one truck over. Now they going around circling, basically trying to tell everybody to leave and shit. But I don't know. So I guess we just out here, goddamn, chilling. You feel me? So that's what I said. I was like, Walmart. Yeah, but I guess I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess it was just, I'll catch up with y'all.